Well, welcome back to another Dyno Days video. As you can see, a beautiful black FN2 in the house. And today, Thomas has fitted a full Piper 3-inch exhaust system to this car, including manifold and sports cat. That's the only modification this car has. It's our job now to tune that on the Ecotech software. So we're going to do a run as she is right now, see where we're at. Then we're going to flash the stock ECU with Ecotech software, giving us the ability to data log and start tuning and see what we get. It's another one, so let's get on with it. It's very noisy here today, but what I don't hear is suffering engines, and that's because they've got the correct oil in them. This one's just had 5W40 fully synthetic Molygen in it, and we got that from worldoflubricant.co.uk, and so can you. And you can save money using the code dyno at the checkout. worldoflubricant.co.uk, dyno at the checkout, save a load of money. Well, before we start this, I've just found out that the young lad Joe that comes down here with his carer, bless him, he won the Wolf Run again. That's 2 years on the bounce. He's won the Wolf Run. He smashed it. Probably got covered in mud. I'm yet to see the photographs, but well done, Joe.
Yeah, well done, man.
Well done, mate. Right, so FN2. Today, this had oil and filter change using the 5W40 Molygen. Had a health check. It had a Piper manifold sports cat and true 3-inch exhaust system.
It did indeed.
And then we've mapped it.
Yeah.
So these are just shy of 200 brake horsepower stock. And today we're finishing on 216. Not bad for just an exhaust system.
It has no induction mods whatsoever. So standard airbox, standard inlet manifold.
So it's still got a cat, but it's got an exhaust system on it now. And 216, you might think, well, that's not a great deal of power, but it's 16 brake horsepower for an exhaust bolt-on. And yes, we've mapped it, but realistically, those gains have come from the free-flowing exhaust system.
Yeah, I mean, there's some good gains. We have made power everywhere, be it that at a certain point it's a minimal amount of power. So for a start up to the VTEC changeover, it's a tiny bit, a couple of brake horsepower maybe. A fair bit in the mid-range, I'd probably say around the 20-25 brake in the mid-range, and then tails off roughly to the top, and it brakes around the same peak power, but that's because the inlet side of things cannot get air in. The exhaust system's good for 400 horsepower if that's what you want to run through it. So the exhaust system's more than good enough to cope with everything that you're going to throw at it, but now it's the intake side, so it's more mods for more power is basically the answer.
Yeah, I'm sure he's going to be absolutely over the moon with that, and drive the arse off of it. Off of a bit.
Yeah, nice.
Excuse me.
Nice car. Low mileage, 82,000. Don't see many with that sort of mileage on, do you?
You don't. Well, I don't see anything today because I forgot my glasses.
Yeah.
So I've actually been suffering all day looking at computer screens. And I even came out to Richard in the workshop at one point and said, please read that. I can't read it.
Yeah.
So that's a mistake.
That he did.
That's a mistake I won't be doing it. Because I'm obviously, being in the dyno cell and stuff, I'm getting deafer. I've been wearing glasses for a while now. I'm getting blinder. So I
did offer him my glasses, but he said he couldn't see out of them.
It was like
either.
LSD. It was just it
said,
didn't
"I'd
make
rather
it
be
clearer.
blind."
It just sort of spread it out. Just a blurred spread out of. But yes, thank you for the offer, Richard. It didn't help me, but the lesson learned: glasses, they're important.
Yeah, you need to bring them.
Yeah. I don't know what point I realised that I didn't have my glasses there. I think I might have been like, I might have thought to myself, I can't really see that car in front of me, and gone to get my glasses to clean them. And like, there's no glasses on my face.
I normally know when I've normally come out of my street and drive halfway down the next street, and then I can't see anything. I haven't got my glasses on. and then go round in a loop and go back and get them.
We're just old.
Yeah.
I just don't like it. I don't like it. But we're certainly a bit.
It's only going to get worse, mate. You're laughing. It's only going to get worse.
I think I'll quit, mate.
Yeah.
I think I'll quit. Do you want to look at the graph?
Let's look at that graph.
Let's look at well, you can look at the graph. I can't see it, but you can have a look at it.
Ready to elevate your ride? Nobody does it better than Dyno Days Performance Parts. Nobody. We're talking the best exhausts, the strongest ECU remaps, absolute top-tier parts for maximum performance. Other places, not even close. Our experts, the best in the business, give you personalized tuning perfectly matched to your driving style. It's incredible, really. People love it. Join a huge, growing community of real enthusiasts. Thousands already trust Dyno Days, smart people, great drivers, and they keep coming back. Go to dynodaysperformanceparts.com right now and transform your drive. Believe me, you're going to love it.